Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Before I get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on that bell so that you're notified each time that I post. So hello to my returning subscribers, and if you're new here, welcome. So in today's video, we're going to talk about hair care while on vacation and what I will be taking with me. I am going on vacation in the next few days, and I was going to do a protective style on my hair. I thought about, twisting it. I thought about braids. I thought about passion twists. And then I thought about, what's the cheapest way to go, right? And what's the less time consuming way to go, right? So all of that stuff is going to take me a lot of time, and it's going to cost me a lot of money if I don't do it myself. And I don't feel like doing it myself. So we're just going to rock our natural hair on this vacation. Gonna rock the natural. In order to do that, I'm gonna have to take a few things with me just to make sure that my hair is looking on point on vacation. So with that said, let's get started. So these are the items I'm gonna be taking with me. First and foremost, shampoo. I'm gonna take 2 travel size shampoos of the Tresemme Luxurious Moisture Shampoo. So I'm taking 2 of these. These are really cheap, but I don't think I'm going to need 2, but I'm taking 2 just in case. Remember, I have my daughter's hair as well, so I'm taking 2 just to make sure I have enough. And I'm also going to be taking the Tresemme Luxurious Moisture Conditioner, and I have 2 of those as well. I actually don't think 2 will be enough for mine and my daughter's hair, so I may pick up 2 more. But yeah, we'll be taking this as well. Also going to be taking the Curl Stretch Pudding. So this is a new product for me. I just started trying this out and I actually like it, but I will be posting a review video on this, so I don't want to say too much. But this is going with me, and I'm kind of undecided on this one and the Curl Enhancing Smoothie, but I think this is the one I'm taking with me just to make sure that I have some leave-in in my hair for moisturizing purposes. I'm also going to be taking the Wetline Extreme Gel, guys. Yes, I finally got my hands on this gel. I've heard so many good things about this gel, and I have a review coming up on this as well. So yeah, this is going with me. It's a great styling gel. Like I said, I'm going to need to take enough products for myself and for my daughter. We both have a lot of hair, and it's important to care for your hair even while you're away on vacation. Like I said, I'm going to be washing my hair because if I get into the pool or beach water, I'm gonna want to wash all of that stuff out of my hair. I'm going to be conditioning and styling my hair. I want to make sure I maintain my hair care. Now, the only thing I won't be doing while on vacation is deep conditioning my hair, only because who has time for that while they are trying to enjoy their vacation? Deep conditioning, ladies, we all know it takes a long time. Like, it depends on how long you leave your deep conditioner in. I leave mine in 30 minutes to an hour. I don't want to be waiting around 30 minutes to an hour. I mean, I could go do something during that time, but then I have to come back, wash my hair out, restyle my hair. I don't want to go through all that on vacation. So it's only 5 days. I think I can do the deep conditioning. When I return, as long as I'm conditioning my hair should be fine. And guys, conditioning is so important. Like, I stopped conditioning my hair for a while after I had my babies because it was just too much. My routine was just too much. It was taking too long. I was trying to take shortcuts. I cut out the conditioning. I will never do that again. I mean, I didn't know how much of a difference it made. The reason why I stopped it is because I was deep conditioning, and I said, I don't need the conditioner if I'm deep conditioning, right? I was wrong. So when I started to incorporate the conditioner back into my hair, I could just see so much of a difference. It was definitely a lot more moisturized and a lot healthier. So definitely don't skip that conditioner, ladies. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to share what I would be taking with me while on vacation. And that's it. If you liked the video, please make sure you thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below and ask me any questions you'd like. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure to like us on Instagram and on Facebook. And we will see you in the next video. Bye.